Now, excuse how I sound and how I look. I somehow got a cold, so I'm sorry. So this is what we're starting with. The hair is obviously blown out because I like doing my braid outs on stretch hair. Also, it's cold. I have a cold currently, so I need dry hair. I cannot deal with wet hair. And I use only my Revair for that too. If you haven't seen any of my Revair videos, I'll have it linked in the card above. It only takes 30 minutes per usual. We love her. But product wise, we're literally only using one thing for now. We're using this Braid hair cream. I feel like Braid is so underrated, but they are so good. Now, as y'all can see, my hair actually is already pre-sectioned. There's about 5 twists, and it's unraveling. 5 twists on each side currently, but I'm going to make it into 7 on each side. I do my hair in sections just because it's easier when I wash it and blow dry it, and it makes the styling go by faster. So if you have long thick hair like me, or just thick hair in general, that is a tip. Section your hair, and the smaller the better. I'll also be using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I don't have that much of this cream left, unfortunately. This is the jar. Don't ask why she's scented, because I don't know either. This is the consistency. She's really thick, really creamy, and very hydrating. But that's actually how much I'm taking and putting on one section. So just working that in. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on to my ends. I'm gonna braid it. We're actually gonna end with a twist just so that it won't unravel all of our hard work, and finger coil as well, like that. For this second section, we're actually gonna split her in half because it's a bit bigger than this one. Let's try to make it as even as possible. And we're adding this much at the ends, bring it up. Look at how shiny they are of her, and they're actually really hydrated. We got little inches, period. We're also gonna split this one in half as well because it's another big section. "20 minutes later, here are all the braids. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I added in one more. So I have 8 on this side. We're gonna do 8 on this side, and I'll come back and let you know what to do next. Okay, we are back. Hair is finished. Now, she does look crazy. My hair looks super thin. You would never know that my hair is as big as it is when it's in braids. So yeah, we didn't use any water, so actually it won't take that long for it to dry, but I'm not taking these out for like a couple days. You can leave it in for a week, couple days, take it out tomorrow. It's up to you and what you want, but I'm leaving mine in until I have to go somewhere, which is Thursday afternoon. In the meantime though, I have been taking my cecred drops. Can't tell difference yet? No, I cannot. But you know, I just go like, let's see, this. You like new growth? This is what I'm trying to grow more of that. So, and I feel like this is like thinning out, so that's where I've been focusing the most, as well as my edges. And whatever's left on my fingers, I just put on my eyebrows. I want to grow them out, but a little goes a long way because it's water based and costs like $60. I am not wasting a single drop. Like, it's trying to escape right now down here. So just working her in, massaging her in, and also pair it with my red light. I'm not gonna show y'all. It's just I just hold the red light up, or I just put it on my stand and look down and do it. But I'll be back in a couple of days, and we're gonna take this down, and I'll show you what I use for that. Voila! Okay, we're back, and it is now Thursday, so it is 2 days after we did this. This is how the hair looks. Now, I did have a scarf on, but the scarf is literally slowly falling on my head as we speak, so it's gonna just be in the back of my bonnet. It makes my head look so weird and flat. Anyways, let's take them out. I'm using the cecred oil also. Okay, this is the hair now. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. Like, it feels soft without putting the oil on, but y'all, it just feels so real. Now, I'm not gonna separate it because it's raining outside, and I know it's gonna get bigger because it's raining outside. So we're gonna see how it grows when I come back from where I'm at. Of course, I'm always going somewhere. I don't know why this always happens to me. Actually, I do. I plan the videos around where I'm going. Duh. I'm gonna come back. When I come back, I'll show you guys what it looks like after being out all day. But this is what my hair looks like currently. Okay, and I'll be back. I'm gonna see how my hair grew over the day. And this is the hair now, guys. It looks super good. The hold is amazing. The hair is still soft. The rain stopped raining, thankfully, but the hair looks cute. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Try Braid. That's what you have to learn. Try Braid hair products. I mean, not the food. You get what I mean. But try Braid hair products, specifically that hair cream, because these are the results. And make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Also, hypes, I don't know what they are, but apparently I have them on my account now. So if you have that feature and if you're on mobile, give me a hype so we can boost the video up. That's how that works. I don't know, but appreciate it if you do. And as always, comment below. Let me know what kind of video let's see from me next. I know on TikTok someone had asked to see my blowout routine, like before blowouts. I know I've talk about that. I don't think I really show it for real. So if you want to see that, let me know, or literally any other blowout style. I'm gonna be doing on blowout styles for all of winter because it's cold and I cannot deal with wet hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all on Sunday. Bye.